say. Fire pit also on. Oh my god, this place, little place looks so festive. Did you guys notice this horse ride? And look at this lady with big leg. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And I never saw this horse ride in Calgary city. Oh, I'm so excited. The lineup is for the horse ride, and the lady is giving candy to the kids. It's windy, cold, but people know how to enjoy the Canada weather. And the live music is on here. You can have the free hot coffee. And the fire pit also on.
Now and then there's a moon such as I.
Right now I'm at the intersection of Kensington Road. I don't want to leave the place, guys, and try to spend a little bit more time here. I hope you also enjoy this festive environment in my video. Santa also here Everyone is taking the line up for take a picture with Santa.
That for you. That's enough.
You want to sit next to Santa?
Sit up here.
I have nothing to say. I'm just enjoying the environment and show you guys
We'll do a family one and then we'll do just you kiddos, okay?
Come on over here. You sit down here, and you're going to stand right
around with me. 'Cause when it comes to love, I learn my lesson.
and let's go
Don't get me wrong, it's crossed my mind. I just want
this way
to cross that line.
towards Kensington Road.
I don't want you. True love is hard enough to find.
I love to stay here more longer, but let's explore some other area of Kensington. I think everyone is going for the little festive environment. It's sunny weather, but because of the wind, it's cold. And I'm at the intersection of 10A Street Northwest and Kensington Road. I think my gimbal is wow, just look at this cookie place. It's so amazing. Oh my god. And I'm going to the riverside. And again, I'm going back to the 10th Street Northwest. Right now, I am at the Memorial Drive at 10th Street Northwest. It's a memorial. Oh my god, it's a wind. It's killing me. Woo. not going on to the riverside. It's too windy and I don't want to kill myself. In this neighborhood in the Kensington, most of the store is for the local cafe, restaurant, and boutique shop also. So if you live in Calgary, support local to buy something. I try to do always, and also promote in my social media for the local business. And don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and also if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. And if you like this channel, if you want to support me, and you can also click the join button right beside the subscribe, so you can also become my member, and it also inspiring me, and you can also support me as well. Thank you so much for your love and your time, and thank you so much for watching my channel and love my channel. When I saw your comment that you write that you love my channel, you love my blog, it's inspiring me so much, and it makes me feel so much. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So if you want to come in the Kensington, if you are living right beside the C train station, you can get down the Sunnyside C train station for the Kensington, or you can take a bus number 4 or maybe more. I'm not sure the other number bus, but as I can see in the Kensington, only number 4 bus. If you bring your car, you can see Kensington has no parking. There's it's a problem if you have car. Most of the car is parking at the roadside, and it's not free. And this Kensington also very close to downtown and the State and University of Calgary. Oh my god, look at this dollar store. I never noticed this dollar store. It's so different from others. This Kensington pathway is very narrow, so I cannot show you guys this side, my right hand side, because it's very narrow pathway. So I think this building is pretty old in Kensington. A lot of high-rise buildings are going under construction in Kensington, as you can see. This side is the Kensington neighborhood side. Inside, most of them are houses, but you can find some high-rise building in Kensington for the residents. This way is the Sunnyside C train station. The intersection of 10th Street Northwest and 3rd Avenue Northwest.